What is going on YouTube? It is June the 3rd, 2025. Look at this. Target already has Halloween on the website. Just a few bits, so we ordered some way earlier than last year, like over a month earlier than last year. They're obviously jumping on it. So, Halloween, it seems crazy. Halloween 2025. Okay, they sent I think it's in a couple of packages, so this is obviously the first round. You excited? We are. I don't even know who this one's gonna be. Okay. Okay, first up. "2025 Halloween" seems crazy, isn't it? Already. Not complaining there. Got some kind of birdie. He's got like a tattoo on his eye. Hide and eek. Oh, he's moldy. So what, is he supposed to be like a zombie or something? So we have moldy. Looks like it might be all of it. Let me get my blade. Look at this. Hello, my name is Lewis. I don't know who Lewis is, but he's super cool. Look at that. Okay, my name is Lewis. Here's another one. Oh, let's look at this one. This one is very cool. This one's amazing. Look at this one. Felt figures. Look at that. It's the werewolf with the moon. How cool is that? Moving on. Okay. Oh, I know what's missing. There's like a big head thing. Ah, I know what this is. Look at this guy. He is amazing, look at him. Absolutely amazing. So there's obviously his arms fold out. I think he makes a noise. Yeah. It's got like a little tester thing. Where's your tester, mate? Where's your tester? Here we go.
Trick or treat! I'm very glad you came out tonight. Halloween is the night I can really let let my hair hang down.
He is amazing. And he hangs, and there's his like legs. I guess his legs were not. I guess his legs just like dangle down. But he, and also you fold his arms out. He is amazing. Okay, and then last but not least, still can't believe already Halloween. I mean, that's amazing. Especially Target, these are like the last people to put, excuse me, put Halloween out. Look at this. How cool is she? Look at her. Ah, oh, that is amazing. So I'm gonna do some little videos of in the dark. And then we will see you on the next one. How good are these? Look at him.
Oh my god.
My wife's just come in. Look how cool this is.
Oh my gosh, that lights are so perfect.
And look at this guy. Target Halloween. I mean, if this is what they're gonna be bringing out, it's all like that neon kind of cool stuff like they did last year, which was very cool. Doing a little sneak peek. Oh, look at that. Look at that cheeky little fella. We've got a dent, is it? No, just a... Okay, here we go. They had these last year, we got all of them, I think. But this year, look at that. Look how fun that is. Hide and eat. Hanging sign. Made. Not a toy. Origin China. 1 count. Hanging sign. There you go, you can see it better now. But yeah. How cool is that? You can do the Hound of the Baskervilles outside in the background. And gonna add this bit in quick. So sorry about the weird video, but instead of doing a separate video, weird they didn't arrive together. But oh look. Bit of Frank. Let me